The world of artificial intelligence is no stranger to competition. Giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI have long been locked in a race for AI supremacy. Now, a new contender has entered the fray, hailing from the bustling tech scene of China DeepSeek. This ambitious startup has taken the AI community by storm with its innovative approach and relentless pursuit of technological breakthroughs. DeepSeek's emergence is a testament to China's burgeoning AI ecosystem. Fueled by government support, a vast pool of talent, and access to massive datasets, Chinese AI companies are rapidly closing the gap with their Western counterparts. DeepSeek, in particular, has garnered attention for its work on cutting-edge AI models capable of rivaling those developed by industry leaders. The company's success can be attributed to its unique blend of technical prowess and strategic vision. DeepSeek has assembled a team of top AI researchers and engineers, many of whom have honed their skills at leading universities and tech companies around the world. This talent pool, combined with DeepSeek's unwavering commitment to research and development, has enabled the company to make significant strides in a short period. DeepSeek's arrival on the global AI stage is a clear indication of China's growing ambitions in the field. As the company continues to innovate and expand its reach, it is poised to become a major force in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. The world is watching closely to see what this rising star will achieve next. DeepSeek's latest breakthrough, the DeepSeek V2, has sent ripples of concern through Silicon Valley and beyond. This powerful AI model is not only technologically impressive but also remarkably cost-effective, posing a significant challenge to the established players in the field. DeepSeek V2 boasts state-of-the-art capabilities in natural language processing, image recognition and data analysis, exceeding the performance of many existing models in various benchmarks. What sets DeepSeek V2 apart is its accessibility. DeepSeek V2's efficient design and optimization allow it to operate at a fraction of the cost. This breakthrough has significant implications for the future of AI development, as it makes cutting-edge technology available to a wider range of users, including smaller businesses and research institutions. The arrival of DeepSeek V2 has shaken the AI landscape, forcing established companies to reevaluate their strategies and accelerate their own innovation efforts. The rapid rise of Chinese AI companies like DeepSeek has sparked concern within the United States government and among American tech giants. The US has long enjoyed a dominant position in the technology sector, particularly in artificial intelligence. However, China's relentless pursuit of AI leadership, fueled by massive investments and a national strategic focus, has raised alarms about the potential for a shift in global technological power. The US government is particularly worried about the implications of China's AI advancements on national security and economic competitiveness. AI is seen as a critical technology for the future, with applications ranging from autonomous weapons systems to economic forecasting. A dominant position in AI would give China a significant strategic advantage in various domains. American tech companies, on the other hand, are facing increasing competition from Chinese rivals like DeepSeek. Section 4. Bypassing the barriers, China's alternative paths to AI supremacy. Despite US efforts to restrict China's access to advanced AI technologies, China has several ways to bypass these barriers. One such avenue is open-source AI models. Many cutting-edge AI models are released as open-source software accessible to developers worldwide, including those in China. Chinese companies can leverage these models to build and customize their own AI applications. Another strategy is reverse engineering. China has a long history of reverse engineering foreign technologies, and AI is no exception. By studying advanced AI models, Chinese engineers can develop similar technologies independently. Talent acquisition also plays a crucial role in China's AI ambitions. The Chinese government has programs to attract top AI talent globally, offering lucrative incentives and research opportunities. This influx of talent is bolstering China's AI workforce and accelerating its progress in the field. Section 5. A shift in the global AI landscape. Reactions to DeepSeek's ascent. DeepSeek's meteoric rise has sent shockwaves through the global AI community. The market has reacted with a mix of apprehension and cautious optimism, recognizing the potential for both disruption and advancement. Stock prices of major US tech companies have experienced volatility as investors grapple with increased competition from China. DeepSeek's emergence challenges the long-held assumption of US dominance in AI. Investors are re-evaluating portfolios, leading to market fluctuations based on perceived risks and opportunities. Some investors worry about the impact of Chinese competition on US tech giants. Chinese companies with vast datasets and government support could erode the competitive advantage of American firms. Others see DeepSeek's rise as an opportunity. DeepSeek's cost-effective AI solutions could expand the market, making AI accessible to more businesses. This increased adoption of AI could lead to new growth opportunities for both Chinese and American companies.